Hey everybody, it's Darren Meyer from Darren's Premium Auto Detailing. We have a work truck here from J&R Appliances that we're detailing today. I wanted to show you because it's got over 300,000 miles on it, so it's very dirty. So today I'm busting out all my tools. I have my Detail King Magic Cleaner Concentrate here and a steam cleaner. And I'm going to spray this panel down here for you so you can see, and you'll see the dirt and grime and grease all fall down. So wanted to just show you one of the ways we clean vehicles. I don't always like to use chemicals. Sometimes steam will just do the trick, but in this case it's beyond just steam. So gonna get a little loud, but I'll show you, and then I'll wipe and I'll show you the towel afterwards. You can see it is a clean towel. So all right, here we go. I know it may not have looked that dirty, but trust me, it is. So I'll wipe this stuff down and then I'll show you guys the towel. Now this is like a textured, so this looks still kind of like it has flakes in it. It's because it's like a textured plastic. So it does have like little different colors in it already on top of all the dirt. So I'll just wipe down the panel and show you. There's not as much dirt, but there's some dirt. The other side was actually worse, but I did not film that side. So I just wanted to show you guys one of the ways we clean, and now you can see it's still drying, but it's a lot cleaner than what it was. Hey everybody, it's Darren Meyer back, Darren's Premium Auto Detailing. I'm actually filming this time. Since you probably want to see a little bit more dirt, so here is the very dirty panels here, and I'm going to grab one of my cleaners really fast and spray it down with, this is just a Meguiar's all-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to spray down on there all over the panel, get it nice and saturated. I'm going to pass the camera off to my assistant who's going to help. So what I'm really doing now is just kind of letting it set up a little bit. And I'm actually going to take one of my cleaning tools here. This is called, I've been asked for how I get everything so clean. This is called the Tornador Black. I got this from Detail King. This is a pneumatic air tool that spins at the same time it can dispense liquid or just air. So it really is good at blowing stuff around. So it either has just air or liquid and air. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my quick connect. It's gonna get loud again, but I'll show you so you can get a first-hand look at it. So you just hook it up. I had my air compressor turned off so it wouldn't start when I was trying to talk afterwards. So I'm actually, again, since this car's so dirty, after I did that and kind of loosening up, this is, believe it or not, just like a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It's not, it's an off-brand, but I get these from Amazon, and I'm just gonna kind of rub it down. So the cleaner's obviously there, of course, and as you can see, this pad I have, or this cleaner, or this magic eraser I have, is not new. I did start using it brand new today, and you can see it's already been used quite a bit and it's already turning black. So I'm gonna wipe everything down now. And the towel, I mean, it's picked up a lot of that dirt. Some of it obviously got blown away with the tornador. And I usually would then go back, turn it on air only, and blow out all these cracks, crevices, because if you don't, it's going to stay in there. I'm not going to do that now because I have to build up some compression. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like kind of before and after. There may be a couple of spots I hit again with just a brush or something and some cleaner. Hey everybody, it's Darren Meyerback and Darren's Premium Auto Detailing. This is I'm going to show you some extraction of the back. I did that side over there. I've already sprayed my extractor soap, Detail King extractor soap onto the seat or the carpet. I also sprayed a little bit of Magic Cleaner Concentrate Detail King on there as well. And then I used my drill brush, which is over there, to just kind of make sure it gets all in there. And now I'm going to extract. So it's going to get loud. Now I'm obviously not done extracting yet, but what you basically want to do is to keep kind of going over it, and then it'll start coming up clean. If you notice, this section here that I did was really dirty, and then the more I went over it, the more clean it became. So this is this section. It's not done yet. I just wanted to stop and kind of talk a little bit. I'll turn the vacuum back on, but the goal is you want to get it to start coming up clean, so when it stops coming up really dirty, you know that you're on the right track and you can stop extracting that area. The water's mostly changed to clear. I'm not saying it's going to be 100% clear. I'll go over it a few more times. I just want to show you. You could see a big difference from where it was. You could see this has all been done from kind of here and down, and this over hasn't. I know the lighting isn't the best, but gives you an idea. There's a lot of dirt in here still that we haven't touched, and in here. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of what it looks like. Again, I'll go over this area a few more times just to make sure we get as much dirt out as we can. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, this is the aftermath of that very dirty truck. I'm gonna let the water out. And you can see that it's pretty dirty. So this is what we picked up.